YouTube, I am back with another video. So I'm trying my head mount. first time trying the head mount for a video. Oh, there's somebody coming. Hurry up, buddy. Buddy. Oh my gosh. Low-key feels great. Feels great. I ain't gonna lie. I love this street. That was a weird intro. I'm gonna just be quiet and just drive. It's gonna be a quick vlog, or not a vlog, a POV. I might drop it tonight. Because we are not far from our destination. Let me know if it looks good, bro, because I can barely see it, but I think it looks good, right? I'm trying to make the seat lower because I know it's like probably on head top. Oh my goodness. I hate going uphill, bro. We got some snacks. We got some gummies. What's your favorite snack? What's your favorite snack in the comments? Mine is late night gummies. That shit top. Bro, come on, bro. Try to get a little thumbnail in a bit. Nah, that's fun, bro. That's fun. That is fun, bro. It's hilarious. But yeah, we're like 1 minute away. This is just like a test video, so I'm gonna do a lot more of these. A lot more of these. So, yeah. Just testing it out, but I'm only doing it at nighttime because it looks very stupid in daytime. But soon I'll get a GoPro, you know? Here we go, buddy. Oh my gosh, there was somebody on the... Wow. What a beautiful scene, bruv. Oh my goodness, bruv. Alright. Enough of that talk. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hit that left. And we're gonna go around the block, nigga. It's an electric gas car. Did you hear that? W couple. So weird. I am so weird, dude. That is not cool, dude. I cannot do that. It's not alright. It's not safe, and yeah. It's not alright. Soon I'll have a separate channel to like post, you know. We have an M8 over here. There's an M8. I don't know if you can see it. Oh no. He's not even here, bro. That's crazy. He's not even here. That's not it, right? Yeah, that's not it. What a night. What a night, buddy. I'm gonna turn in here. I'm gonna turn in a bit. Is my lights on? Yeah, it is. I'm gonna get out the car, show you the car, and then get back in. Get back in a bit. Yeah, so we got the car. Got the car right here. This the sheet. This the V-ski. I'm on the way home. I don't know if you guys are on the roof right now. No, stop playing music, no. I don't know if you guys are on the roof right now. Isn't that right? Like I said, I don't know if you are on the roof right now. I don't know how it looks, but if I need to fix it, I'm gonna fix it. But if I don't, I'm still make it better, you know? Oh my gosh. There's a guy on the floor fixing his car and almost ran over his head, bro. Dude, that is not alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh shit, brother. Fucking tires are so grippy. I'm tired of these fucking tires, dude. Like, come on, bro. Why is it so grippy? But yeah, this is gonna end the video. Hope you really enjoyed. Until next time, I will be back with the POV videos. I will be back. So yeah, this is a short one, but yeah, this is just a test one. So comment down your favorite snack and I'll reply to everybody in the comments. So yeah.